distinguished organizing committee members, excellencies, participants, colleagues, and near and dear, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you a warm welcome to the 7th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development, SDGs. So, as we know that SDGs are also known as global goals, which were adopted by United Nations in 2015 as a universal alarming call to the action to end the poverty and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy peace and prosperity, which indirectly leads to the prosperous planet, our Earth. So these are 17. There are 17 SDGs which are integrated, and they are recognized that action in one area will affect outcomes in the other, and that development must balance social, economic, and environment sustainability. And there are many targets designed by the US SDGs, and so the targets are classified into four categories. And by 2030, that they ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services, sustainability in the sharing of renewable energies, a global rate of improvement in energy efficiencies, and so on. So, and now the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals provide a guidepost to society as it attempts to respond to an array of pressing alarm research challenges. The present available research reviews a report on a large scale assessment of the relevant energy literature, which we have to be conducted to better our understanding levels of key energy related interactions between SDGs as well as their context dependencies relating to time, geography, governance, technology, and directionality. So I have to focus specifically on reviewing the sustainable development literature, which links to energy. The scope of assessment is therefore quite large. More specifically, we have to concentrate on large scale review of relevant evidence base, which we have to be conducted for betterment of our energy related interactions between SDGs, which might play a vital role throughout the world over the coming decades, which indirectly we are planning to make our planet a prosperous planet. Our research must encompass or integrate the deep and the complementary knowledge possessed by an expert interdisciplinary research team, and then is complemented by a systematic literature search and or search or review and selection procedure. And based on the nature and strength of the interactions identified from these sizable set of evidence, as well as our collective evaluation of confidence that can be aspired to each of these interactions, we will arrive at several conclusions relevant for both the scientific research and policy making communities. These evidences conclusions can be summarized as categories are summarized into three parts. That is, the first conclusion or evidence is our analysis must indicate that positive interaction between SDG 7, that is energy based, and the other SDGs clearly outweigh the negative ones both in number and magnitude. And coming to the second, in order to fill knowledge gaps in critical areas, we should argue that there is an urgent need for scientists for different disciplines to share knowledge and collaborate even more than already exists today. This could lead to new data, updated scientific tools, and fresh interdisciplinary perspectives that support personal analysis. According to previous analysis of literature, an improved understanding is specifically needed for how achievement of SDG 7, that is energy, targets or interacts with SDG 2, that is zero hunger, and SDG 4, that is a qualitative education, 5, gender equality, 8, that is a decent work and economic growth, industry innovation, reduce on all reduce inequalities, life better, life below water, and life and land. All these are SDGs, so 10, 8, 9, and 15. And coming to the third, the important point is that the policy makers must do more than simply acknowledge the mere existence of SDG interactions. They also need to mobilize additional resources and implement new laws and planning and evaluation methodologies. With respect to energy policy in particular, the choice of policy instrument and design needs to be made carefully and perfectly. Moreover, wider efforts to promote policy coherence and integrated assessments are required to address potential policy spillovers across sustainability domains and geographic and temporal boundaries. Policymakers should thus do well to ensure that their particular country's institutions engage in exclusive practice that cut across government bodies during all phases of policy planning, implementation, monitoring, and assessment. At last, we welcome the conference by a slogan: doing energy right is a fundamental to the success of 2030 agenda. Furthermore, energy interdisciplinary scientists have a major role to play in offering the guidance to the SDGs. And once again, I warmly welcome all the delegates for the international conference in the interdisciplinary research for sustainable development goals. Thank you.